My sister recently lost her dog Trigger, so we're going to make a memorial box. We're going to take this picture and turn it into this artist drawing, and then turn it into this wood carving. Alright, are you ready? We start with an oval cut from 2-inch walnut and then sand down the tabs from the CNC machine. We then cut that oval in half to make an oval shaped box. Then we go back into the software and design the inside of the box. Then put it back on the CNC machine and cut the recess for the inside. Then we add magnets to the little magnet holes. And then we cut out the picture of Trigger. Once all the pieces are together, we assemble them into the final photo and then cover it in blue tape. Then we use veneer glue and spread it all over the box so we can put the veneer in the veneer press. And when it comes out, we give it a good sanding. Then we take the original piece that we cut the oval out of and make it into a stand. But we engrave Trigger's name and date of birth and date of passing on the box. And then once it's done, we ship it off to my sister. And it seems they really like it. For the full video, check out Harnden Woodworks on YouTube. If you'd like one of these for yourself, check me out at harndenwoodworks.com. Thank you very much.